Hello guys, I go by the name Amakwinist, the founder of Eredda Digitals and Crowdhouse Ghana, and I'm going to show you this POS system, that's point of sale system. Okay, this is multi-store. It has multi-store functionality. So with this web app, you can add your stores, which are at different branches. Okay, let's say you are in Ghana, let's say Kumasi, and you have a store at Kumasi. One has Takoradi, one has Greater Accra, maybe about 3 branches. You can add all the store, add your products, everything. It's multi-store, and you, super admin or the store owner, can see all the transactions that are going on various branches. Okay, this is an amazing. You don't have to do everything manually. Okay, this will help you to manage a lot of things. Okay, good. So I'm going to, first of all, let's look at the dashboard. This is the front end, or let's say the login page for the user. You can change the picture. Maybe if you are into a drugstore, you can display something of that sort picture here. If you are into clothing, boutique, whatever the kind of business that you have, you can change the background image I have here. First, it has a light and dark mode. See, so I can change to have something like this in case this is not good. So I can just change that. For this is just a demo platform. Okay, I just want to show you how how it works. Okay, so I'm going to this just demo platform. So let me enter demo login details. Okay, if you are watching me right now, this is online. You can also log in to check it with the same details that I'm using. Okay, so I will enter the password here. So the username is admin and the password too is admin. That is admin. Then you add 123, admin 123. That's the password. Then you click login. Okay, and let me show you. So this is the password. It's admin 123. Okay, so this is the demo one, so that you can also log in and check it because it's online. So you can see it has some kind of dark interface. Okay, you can add your stores. As you can see, I have already only user added here is the admin. I have 2 stores here. So you can just add multiple stores with different locations. Okay, you can add users, store manager. Maybe in this location you have a manager there, you have cashiers. Okay, another different branch, you have manager, cashiers. You can add all of them so that they will be managing the platform, and you, super admin, with here with having access to the dashboard, you can see what is going on different branches, the sales, everything. You'll be able to see everything. Okay, this is amazing, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get this web app and use it as web application. In case if you don't know how to go about it, let's say after all this tutorial you don't know how to install it, I can just reach out to me and I will do the installation for you. Okay, yes, I will leave my number, or you can check below this video to see my number. Okay, yes, so here let me take you. I can, as I said, I can create a store. I can say that let's say cloud store. Okay, store. Like my business name is Cloudhouse. So the address is let's say 47 streets. Okay, yes, 47 streets. Okay, yes, and the city is Kumasi. Okay, and then the region is Ashanti. And then we have Ghana is already there, my number. So those who want to reach out to me, you can use this contact to reach out to me. Okay, yes, and my email, let's say I can enter demo at Eredda. Okay, demo at eredda.com. Okay, this is not an email account, so don't try to reach out to me on this email. Okay, Okay, the recipient header, I'll just keep this one for now. Let me leave that for now. Okay, so and click save, and now successful. So I've added cloud store, and I can go to users and add user to the store. By adding user, you will select the user role as store manager or cashier. So if the person is a store manager, then you primary store, you select the store for that person. Okay, and for theme, let's say the person's name is something like Eredda. Okay, yes, that's my brand name. And then the person's email account, let's say I want this one to be Eredda at eredda.com. okay, so Eredda at eredda.com. okay, yeah. And the password, I just want to put something simple here. The full name is Darius for the user. The full name Darius Amuakon. Okay, the telephone number, I can leave that, and the person will be assigned to the new stop. And let me click that. Let me keep the password so that okay, so I can just come here and click that, and the user has been added, Darius. I can log out. Yes, I remember the password, and the user can just come here and enter his username and then the password. Okay, I've done that, and click login. And good, this is that is manager's dashboard. Okay, and you can also add cashier and other stuffs. Okay, so yes, and the manager will be able to see cashiers added and everything. Okay, so this is point of sale. You can add products, from here. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to walk you through how to get this. First, I will later take you through how to do various changes as super admin. Let me enter admin here. Let me see. Okay, so as store, if you want to make a lot of changes concerning the branding, you can see that if you want to change the image, you can do that here. The front end name, let me open that. You see the front end, we have Eredda POS here. So this Eredda POS, if you want to change it, you can just change this one. Okay, add your own company email and other stuff. Okay, good. And then we have got currency. You can multi currency, so it means that if you are in any of the other countries, Nigeria, US, you can still use this software. Okay, and this is cool. Okay, yes. So everything is cool, so you just have to change that, and there's a lot of stuff that you need to go through. So recipients, yes, so here you can just show the logo, add the logo, make adjustment to a lot of time. You can just go through this, just simple. Okay, yes, footer message. Okay, and then return policy and so on and so forth. Company branding. Okay, so here you have to add the company logo, the identity, everything can be done here. I hope you can see that it's very simple and straightforward. So we are not going to waste much time here. Let me log out. So to get this plugin, as I said, is very simple. So first of all, go to shop. The link is below this video. That's shop.eredda.com. So just come here. I've added only 2 plugins. That is Eredda School Management System, which I've already made tutorial on that. It's a very wonderful plugin. Okay, and also we have Eredda point of sale multi-store system. Okay, so this is the one that we are going to. If you need it just straight away, if you don't have account, just go ahead with this, and you see it has it's added to carts. You can just come here straight away, proceed. Then through that you'll be able to create accounts. I already have an account here, so I don't want to go through the process of creating an account. The account creation is simple. You can just pick your product and just proceed, and the account will be created for you. So let me close that and come back to login. I already have an account. I'm going to log in through this. Good. And this is my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, very simple. As you can see, I have some orders here. Okay, good. Let me view orders, and you can see that this one is paid, this one is paid. Okay, and I'm going to open this one, this Eredda school management system. No, the plugin. Okay, so I'll go with this one, Eredda point of sale. Okay, and here I can download the plugin. Okay, I can download it from here. This is not a plugin, this web app. Sorry for that, I've been saying plugin, so that's the reason. So it's not a big deal. So I will just click here and the download will start within a short time. Okay, so as you can see, it's ongoing. What's the size? It's just 24 megabytes and it's reading. So let's see, let's wait. Okay, so as it's almost done, so let's wait. Good, so it's successful. Let me click here and find the location. So this is the web app. So I'll first close it for now. Now, before you can install this, you need a hosting and a domain. Okay, that's very, very important. If you don't have one, let me close this one. I will not close it because I need this one. So let me open a new tab. If you need one, if you don't have hosting and domain, you can buy stuff from us. That is, you can just go to Cloud Host. The link is below this video. cloudhostgh.com. Okay, so you can buy some from us, but you can also buy from any other company. Okay, yes, we are not forcing you to buy from us, but you can buy from any other company. Okay, so straight away you can just come back here and pick your package. Okay, then you go ahead with the registration. For instance, let's say I want this one, I can just click on that and then it will take me there. Okay, so just select it, then you proceed. It's straight away. Okay, it's not that difficult, but I already have an account, so I'm going to log in from here and I'm going to enter one of my email account. Let me check that and click that, login. And as you can see, it's successful. So I will just come back here, go to services, then I can see I have a lot of packages. Okay, these are all packages. Okay, and this the one that I want to log in. So just click here. Okay, so you just have to find an empty space with the exact account that you want to log in. Okay, let's say I want to log into this one. I will just click here, the free space here or the empty space there. Then you see login to cPanel. Okay, good. I have done that already. This is my cloud panel. Okay, so let me close that. This is my cloud panel, as I said, and you see this. Okay, so this is the control panel or the cloud or the cloud host panel. Okay, so here I will go straight to, first I need to create a database, and this one, this domain, I'm using it. Okay, the main domain. So I want to create a subdomain for this tutorial. So I will come to subdomain and I'm going to create a subdomain. See, I've created a number of subdomain here. So I'm going to create a new subdomain, and this, let's make this one as demo. Okay, so demo, and I will check this box. You have to make sure you check that and click save, and it will install it automatically. Okay, so we are done with this one. So let's wait. Okay, so it's successful and we have demo at. Okay, now I'm not going to waste time. Let's go straight to database. We have to go to database. We have to create our database. Okay, so I will come here and click add new, and here I'm going to create a demo one for demo POS. Okay, so that is going to be my database name, and then I will create a new user for that database, and that to have the same name, demo POS. Okay, yes, demo point of sale. And let me get a password. I just want something very complicated one. Okay, good. So I'll generate new password. So let me select this password. I'll cut that, paste that just to make it, and bring hash and add it again just to make it very difficult to read. Okay, then I'll come back here and paste that. So I'm going to paste it. Let me find a file. I just want to save this one temporarily because I may delete it when I'm done with this tutorial. So this is my password and username, and username. Okay, the username or database name. Like, let's finish with that. So I've added that. Now I'll go down here, select the privilege and select all of them, and then after that just click save. And now I have demo POS here. So this is my database name. Let me copy that, come back here, and now I'm going to enter the database name here. Okay, so now I'm done with the database. Let me upload the file. So I will go to file manager. Okay, it's very straight away. So just come back here. You see we have under file management, we have file manager. Click on that. Now let's locate our file so that we will know what to do. Okay, so let me go to the download. I will come back here. Let me drag this and put it inside this folder too, so that I want to use. Let me delete this plugin. That is good. Okay, so here I will first extract this. Okay, so I think this one is documentation for the POS. Let me try and see. Okay, so I have the POS as well here. So I'm not going to the documentation, the POS, everything is here. So this is what I'm going to do. So I will then go back to my folder. So the demo, the folder name or the directory is demo@eredda.com. If you do remember, I just feel like I want to delete this. I have to delete it. I don't want it. Okay, so I will come back to upload, then select that. I'm not sure. Okay, so let me open this. So inside I have this. I will drag it and drop it here. So let's wait. It's loading. Good. So it's successful. Let me click here, and now I can just click here to decompress. So the process of is the same. Okay, it's the same for all. I mean, even when you're using cPanel, it's the same thing. So okay, so I will come back here. I don't want this. I want it to be inside the main. Okay, so what I will do is I will select all of them, then I will go to move. Let me see, move, and I will locate this file. Okay, click on this one and then move it inside. So yes, good. So now they are inside. They are no more in this folder. So I can then go back and I can decide to delete this folder. Okay, because I don't need it anymore. Okay, so far so good. So we have done this. Okay, so now we are going to install the plugin. Okay, that's the next thing that we are going to do. We are going to install it, and this is what we are going to do. Let's look at let's go back here, and we are going to read the documentation. In fact, I've forgotten, so I have to go through the documentation. Okay, so you can just go through that to learn more about how this works. Okay, so let's look at deployment. Important, that is, you have to create your database. We have done that. And then the schema. Okay, so the default admin password is admin, but you have to make sure you change that. See, it is stated here to your main domain. So this, let's say, first run the setup.php to import the database. Okay, so this one, you see, we have setup.php. So we are going to run this to install. So it just setup.php. Okay, so the database, our subdomain is demo right dot eredda.com. So then we have to bring slash setup dot php. Okay, so this is our installation. So you click on that, and now we have to add our database details. So database password and database name is not this one, so we have to change that. This one, leave it as default. So I'll then come back here and pick those details. So database password, I have it here. I'll copy that, come back here and paste the password. And database name, this is the database name. I'll copy that too, and also delete this one and paste that. You remember the database name and the password are the same. So the username and the password and database name and the username, database username are the same. So I have done that, and this is not my domain, my link. Okay, so I'm going to, this is the correct one, demo. So I'll copy that and paste it here. Good. So after that, I will click import, and let's see it's successful. Okay, and now it is saying our username and the password is this. Okay, no problem, we are done, but we need to activate the lances, okay, which is very, very important. So this is the intro one. So let me click. So we are still here. So let's go back to documentation, then we will know what to do next. Okay, so we have done that, the setup, and the next is lances. We have to enter lances.php to activate the lances. Okay, yes, if we want it to work, then we need to activate the lances as well. So I will delete that and enter the slash lances.php and click enter, and we are here. Okay, good. So we are going to log into our dashboard. That is where we bought the web app. Okay, so straight away, let's go to dashboard, and we can see the package that we have paid for. Okay, and we can click manage. Now this is the one I just paid for, or the new one. So I will click here, generate. Yes, okay, good. Now let me advise you, this is your lances that you are going to use. After this, I will reactivate it. So those who are trying to take note of this lances key, don't worry, I'm not going to keep it. Okay, now this is advice that I have for you. This package, pay the amount that I pay for this package, which means that I can use it for 3 times. That's 3 different domain or 3 websites. So with the same web app, I can download it. Maybe I am a developer, have a client who need point of sale. I can go there, install it, and also activate it for 3 different people. That's what I mean by that. Okay, so I'm yet to use is 0 out of 3. So which means that this key, if you want to keep on repeating it, you have to save this key somewhere. The reason is simple, because the next time, if you don't have this key, you have to generate a new one. And when you do, the one that you have already activated, the web app or the plugin which is already running will automatically deactivate. Okay, the lances will be deactivated. Okay, so you have to go back and activate it with a new generated key. Okay, so I would advise you to save this key somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. I'm not going to save it. I will delete it after this tutorial. So I will paste it here, and I will go back here, activation, the lances key. This is the lances key, and then the products. Sorry for that. Let's look at the products. The product ID is 4. Okay, as you can see from here is 4. So I will enter 4 here as the product ID, the domain has been selected already. And API token, this one, just come back here. Let's see after this. Just select token if you don't have one. It's not a big deal. Let me show you how to get a token. Okay, so I will then refresh that. Okay, so after that, I will just select this token. Okay, I will select this one, or you can just generate a random token. It will work for you. Okay, yes. So I'll come here and paste that. Okay, yes, and click activate. And now it's successful. So now I'm done. Let's go back here. Let's go to, let's see if we have config. Okay, so let's go to here, database, not this one, sorry. Okay, so include. Okay, so include. So under include here, locate config.php, this one. Let's go to edit. So we are going to make some change to our database. Okay, so when you come down here, you see where we need to make the changes. Okay, good. So we have the database, the app URL. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay, so we have wait, I'm coming. Okay, so here we are going to make the change here, okay, which is very, very important. So I will come back here, then let me get the details. Okay, so I'll first select the database name. So the database name here, username is root, remove it and paste this, and then database name to remove this and paste that. And we have the password. Let's get a password from here. Okay, so this is the password. I will copy the password as well. Okay, so I'll come back here and paste the password here in the middle of the two column. Okay, good. And we have after that, let's see, we need to change the app URL. This one is very important. We need to change this. Okay, and we can get it from here, our new link, or I will just copy that. Okay, good. And go back there. Let's see, and I will delete everything from here and paste this. Okay, good, and save that. Now it's successful. Let's come back here. I will then delete this lances and leave only the main domain and click enter, and we are at the login page. You remember that our password is what? Admin. Okay, good. This is our password, admin, and admin123. Click login, and we are on the dashboard. Okay, so this is at our dashboard here. Make sure you change your username as per admin. Is very important. Make sure you change your password. You can change the username. Yes, you can change the username, but for the password you have to change it. It's very, very important. Okay, so this is the current one. You can enter a new one and update it, then you confirm it. Okay, so that just so that you'll be safe. Okay, good. If you want to change, as I said, if you don't like any of these images, you can just replace it with your own image, and we can go ahead to add your store name, or you can just edit this. Okay, make sure you edit it with your own information. Okay, and then you come to the users. You are the only user here. You can add your user products. You can just come here and add your product. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Okay, first, before you add products, I would advise you to go to categories and add your product category. Okay, let's Okay, so now category is successful, and I can go to products and add products. I can now select that and be able to select the category. Okay, you add a product name, description. Okay, very, very important. And this is the cost price, and this is selling price. Okay, good. And then you can enter the initial quantity, and then you add a product image. Very simple. Everything here is straight away. And if you need more details about how to do a lot of things on this plugin, just leave a comment. For now, just reach out to me. This is my number in case you need this web app. This is not a plugin, it's web app built with PHP. Okay, so reach out to me and I will install for you for free. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.